Hello everyone, welcome to the Geopolitics YouTube channel, your one-stop channel for news on international affairs and strategic issues in English. We are focused on UPSC GS Paper 2, Political Science and IR optional, and all of you must have seen the rise of international affairs related current affairs in prelims of UPSC. So here you will get all that solution with free PDF and short notes to help you in a quick revision. So now let's back to our video. Iran announced that it will develop the Farzad B gas field domestically or by its own, and India will now be not involved in this project. So what is this Farzad B gas field project? What is its importance? What's about Chabahar and INSTC? Why Iran is important for India? Little bit history of India-Iran relations we will see in this a very informative video on India-Iran overall relations. So let's start with the history. India and Iran, both relations are centuries old, from the ties of Chandragupta Maurya to as recent as 21st century. Both countries has influenced each other in cultural, language, cuisine, trade, religion, social, political, economical, and almost all other spheres of influence. Iran used to be India's neighbor before India was partitioned in 1947. From 1979, after Islamic Revolution of Iran, relations between India and Iran have been always sometime upwards, sometime downwards. The most significant change in upward relations came after Atal Bihari Vajpayee Tehran visit in 2001. In 2003, Iranian president was chief guest at Republic Day, and at that visit, New Delhi Declaration was signed. This declaration, along with Tehran Declaration, changed and amplified India-Iran relations. After these positive steps, India-Iran relations started reaching new heights. But the shadow of US-Iran tensions, collateral damage, and its impact is seen on India-Iran relations too. We will talk all these things later in this video, as all this history, events, and all other informations are just to give you a glimpse and a fair background of India-Iran relations. Now let's talk about Farzad B gas field. So Farzad B is the gas reserve of 19 trillion cubic feet recoverable gas reserve. It is located in Iranian side of Persian Gulf. As you can see here on this map, this gas field was discovered by ONGC Videsh in 2008. ONGC Videsh is a subset company of ONGC, which is a Maharat PSU company. If you want to know more about ONGC, just pause this video and read this slide. Now when ONGC Videsh discovered it, it offered Iran that it wants to develop the gas field. Negotiations between Iran and India continues. During all these negotiations, ONGC invested $400 million in Farzad B gas field. But negotiations could not finalize till 2021, mainly because of US sanctions on Iran and Trump policy of maximum pressure. Due to this, India could not finalize a deal, and under US pressure, in 2019, India cut all its oil import from Iran to zero. Earlier, India was second largest importer of Iranian oils. It used to import 425,000 barrels per day. All of this led to disruption and worsening of India-Iran relations, and these negotiations could not finalize. You all must have noticed that when India made changes in Article 370, Iran was also quite vocal to oppose this amendment. All these comments came in this background of India-Iran relationship. If we talk about why Iran is important for India, then Iran provides India oil at low rate and at favorable terms for oil importing companies. Low rate of Iranian oil works as a check and balances on India's inflation and government revenue. Indian refinery technology is quite tuned with Iranian crude oil. Iran is also important due to INSTC and Chabahar. We will talk about INSTC and Chabahar in later part of this video. Beyond this, Iran is a significant player in West Asia, also called Middle East. Iran and India can be a critical partner on Afghanistan issue. As most of you must be aware that US finalizes that it's going to withdraw from Afghanistan, then post-withdrawal scenario, India and Iran can work together in Afghanistan. Iran can provide India access to Central Asia and Afghanistan. India don't want to see Iran in China's fold. Beyond this, historical and cultural linkages of thousands years make this relationship special both for India and Iran. So now, very briefly, let's talk about two things. Whether you write answer in mains or during your interview questions, these two things are most important if you are writing about India-Iran relations. And these two things are Chabahar and INSTC. So let's start with Chabahar. Chabahar port is an Iranian seaport located in Gulf of Oman, and it is just 72 kilometers from Gwadar port of Pakistan, which is jointly developed by China and Pakistan. If we talk about significance of Chabahar, then its significance is threefold. First, in trade, second, in security, and third, in connectivity. So let's see each one by one. First, in trade. In trade, Chabahar can be a gateway of trade for India to Central Asian countries. As presently, Pakistan don't give India access, so India by this port can bypass Pakistan and reach Afghanistan and Central Asian countries. It can boost India's trade. If we talk about the security term, then I have already told you its geographical proximity from Gwadar port. On Gwadar port, China is increasing its footprint, and many scholars believe that in next 5 years, China will create its own naval base at Gwadar port. This causes huge security risk to India, especially in these hostile scenarios where our relations with China has already at the lowest point in decades. India can basically watch Chinese activity or even counter them. You must also know that Chabahar is so strategically located that it's just on the gateway of Indian Ocean. Now if we see the third fold, it is connectivity, and this will also consist international north-south transport corridor. Apart from connecting India to Central Asia and others, Chabahar can be important tool for INSTC. INSTC is a 7200 km long multi-mode network. Multi-mode means it will consist ship, rails and road. It is between 30 nations: India, Iran, Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Russia, Central Asia and Europe. If INSTC gets successful, then it will provide alternative route to Europe for Indian goods. It can cut cost, time and increase goods connectivity between India, Europe, Russia, Central Asia and beyond. So that's the advantage of Chabahar and INSTC. Now if we see what are the factors causing hiccups in India-Iran relations, then US sanctions are most prominent reasons. India has to change its course many times, and India has to change its approach almost 180 degree from Obama era when JCPOA was signed to Trump era when Trump cancelled JCPOA and started sanctioning Iran. The country which get most benefit from all this was China. China recently signed a 25 years strategic deal with Iran, and that too on very favorable terms of China. Beyond US sanction issue, China-Iran relations is also a factor. Recently, China declared it will invest $400 billion in next 25 years in Iran. These investments can risk India's strategic part of relations with Iran, like joint training, joint exercises, joint research, intelligence sharing and others. Iran also supported China-led world order in place of US-led world order. So all this shows different worldview and priorities in India and Iran. Apart from this, Iran kicked India out of rail link between Jaidan and Chabahar, closing of India-US relations, worsening of US-Iran relations, recent India out of Farzad B gas field, Iran comment Article 370 changes, all somehow shows downward spiral of India-Iran relations. So now let's see how can Iran and India make this relation great again. But before that, I want to let you know that India's Ministry of External Affairs said that it is most possible that in future India again join Farzad B gas field. For the time being, Iran is starting to work in this gas field by its own, but there are very much chances that in future India can again join Farzad B gas field project. Now if we talk about how to improve India-Iran relations again, then a new multilateral foreign policy strategy is vital for India to maintain strategic autonomy that favor India's national interest and serves India's inclusive growth. India need to balance its Iran relation on one hand and USA and OIC countries relation on other. Discussing all of these issues, one thing is for sure that Iran is a critically important country for India, whether it is energy, whether it is security, or it is connectivity. So hoping that you would have learned something. With that, it's a wrap of this video.
You can get free PDF of this video at our Telegram channel Geopolitics YouTube and our Facebook group Geopolitics YouTube. If you like this video, please consider liking it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will continue to bring quality content for you. We will meet in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.